Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony told reporters on Wednesday that his ministry will proceed with the payout of risk allowances to only those healthcare workers in direct, constant contact with COVID-19 patients. He noted that the regional health officers are currently in the process of identifying this category of healthcare workers who will benefit from the risk allowances, after which a general list will be compiled for disbursement of the monies.
We are now compiling that list because some of them have already responded. And then once we compile that list, we'll start giving the allowance to those persons identified as frontline health workers.
The Guyana Public Service Union has strongly contended that all healthcare workers should benefit from risk allowances, since they are all exposed to the virus on a daily basis while carrying out their duties. The union has maintained that discussions should be initiated with the workers before any final payout is undertaken. In September, the provision in the 2020 emergency budget of $150 million for risk allowances for classified frontline workers sparked a series of protest actions by health personnel in regions 3, 4, 6, and 10. The healthcare workers demanded a supply of adequate personal protective equipment, a 50% salary increase, and risk allowances for all categories of employees. The Guyana Public Service Union then served an ultimatum to the Health Minister and Chief Executive Officer of the Guyana Public Hospital, George Lewis, to agree by October 6 to have all categories of workers benefit from the payment of allowances or face a full-scale strike action. On the morning of October 6, the government swiftly deployed its advisor, Dr. Jennifer Westford, to meet with striking healthcare employees and the Guyana Public Service Union. As a result, the strike action never materialized, and Dr. Westford assured that the government was working to address the burning issues of the aggrieved workers. When contacted by this newscast on Wednesday on the government's latest decision to issue the payment only to a fraction of healthcare workers, General Secretary of the Guyana Public Service Union, Kempton Alexander, declined to comment, stating that the union will communicate its position via a press release. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.